Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So welcome back guys, yeah man. So today I'll take a tour into Hanbury Road. Yeah man, big up on yourself, my people. I don't know what from Hanbury Road war reach today. Yeah man, so I make a left turn. So you know Hanbury Road is in Mandeville, Manchester. So right now I am on 68 to 72 Caledonia Road. Yeah man, see a lot of people moving around today in the beautiful parish of Manchester. Yeah man, so I make a left turn. We'll take you all to Hanbury Road. On your left you have the Jamaica Association on Hanbury Road. So guys, if you want to know an area in Jamaica, if you plan to live there, you can watch this channel and see what's taking place in different areas. You can see some different scenery in Jamaica. Yeah man, but I'm in the cool parish of Manchester. So Hanbury Road can take you all right back onto Winston Jones Highway. Yeah man, so if you want to drive through Hanbury Road and go back on Winston Jones Highway, you can take that journey right there. And right at the entrance of Hanbury Road, you also can get your fresh jelly coconut, your pineapple, and some different fruits. On your left you have the East English Side Road. You have the East English Side Garden. Yeah man, so the road can look a bit close here, so you have to be careful, take a look at time and go through. Yes my people. drive. Yeah man, some beautiful places in Mandeville, some beautiful place. Yeah man, some hidden place or some people just hear about, never get to see it. Just tune in to Fire Reid channel and you will know all about our beautiful Jamaica. It's not all about Montego Bay City and Kingston City. What about the other rural areas? Yeah man. Guys, I will take you right back onto Winston Jones Highway. And remember, on this road, very slippery when wet, so you have to be very careful when you're driving in the Hanbury Road area. You have to be very careful. Take your time. Slippery when wet, guys. Use up on the horn in different places, watch this on the paper. Yeah, man, so you have to be careful because you have a lot of different drivers on the road. Some of them are really careful, so you have to be careful. Look out for yourself and other people on the road. Very close to the Winston Jones Highway, which can take you all to Williamsfield Roundabout, and also it can take you back to New Green Roundabout. This is the Winston Jones Highway, just coming off Hanbury Road. As I said, if you make the right turn, it will take you all back to Williamsfield. So I made the left turn, it will take you all back to New Green Roundabout. This is a very speedy road, guys. You have to be very careful. Lots of heavy units drive on this road, so you gotta be very careful. So on your right, that is the turn off where you would go to Kendall campus. heading towards the New Green Roundabout, which can take you all to Mandeville Town Centre, also to Mile Gully, straight back to St. Elizabeth, also to Spurtree Hill. Sign New Green Roundabout, Spurtree, Mandeville, Mile Gully. So thank you guys for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. One love, I wanna people like always. Yeah man, love the support to give the channel. So big up on yourself, anyone who watch from Yard or abroad.